Given the regulations facing the commercial refrigeration equipment industry, it is paramount for OEMs to consider working on these design changes to get to these new efficiency levels today. The worst case scenario for OEMs not being DOE compliant in March 2017 poses a significant business risk for the future. And Emerson Climate Technologies is here to understand and evaluate every individual case and ensuring that a strategy is presented in order to be compliant. The clock is ticking down. We have 365 days and counting for you to be compliant in order to be able to sell your product for the future. The regulations facing our industry is vast. We have March 2017 impacting commercial refrigeration equipment. We have January 2020 impacting walk-in coolers and freezers. And you have January of 2018 impacting ice machines. Compounding that effect, you also have EPA regulations that is happening in the same time period, virtually. 2019, 2020 for standalone equipment, 2018 for walk-in coolers and freezers, and actually 2017 for supermarket rack systems. Our refrigeration industry, comprised of all the channel partners, are here to serve the end user. These end users are going to be mandating energy efficient and DOE compliant systems. OEMs have to consider what the alternative refrigerants they're going to use to rate these systems, because at the end of the day, the end users are probably going to be judging on both fronts, the EPA and the DOE, energy as well as alternative refrigerants. It is paramount for OEMs to consider investigating these design cycles today. That design cycle is comprised of understanding product platforms, families of products that they sell, and making sure that they can meet this regulation to begin with next year. And the design cycle involves many challenges that have to be mitigated today as well. This includes understanding the engineering resources required to place on these projects, the lab times required to get these certified via UL and NSF and other regulatory bodies. It is absolutely important for OEMs to consider the Department of Energy regulations as well as the EPA at the same time as far as their design cycles are concerned. The reasons why this is important are for the following two. Number one, you have engineering resources that is going to require a tremendous amount of testing. Number two, this poses schedule risk. Doing them both at the same time will ensure that you are compliant for both regulations now instead of having to come back to the drawing board later and addressing EPA. It's important for us to, as Emerson Climate Technologies, to be in the all of the above strategy where we not only have to provide our products that are efficiency improved, but also EPA compliant. This is a way for us to offer a product that can meet it in one design cycles for OEMs. In order to address these challenges faced in our refrigeration industry, Emerson Climate Technologies has invested a tremendous amount of resources and time in order to improve our entire platform of products, starting from fractional horsepower reciprocating hermetic compressors all the way up through our discus platform and our larger compressors. We not only are going to be offering the next generation condensing units and scroll compressors in the smaller ranges, our entire family of products are going to be alternative refrigerant rated. We're going to have 448A, 449A, 450A, and 513A. These refrigerants are essential and crucial for the next generation of refrigerants. As a result of that, Emerson Climate Technologies is here to help. Our products and platforms are there and available to be investigated and tested today.